welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making a video all about a carry-on bag and how I'm fitting everything in it for 1 month. Well, I think 1 month. I have a one-way flight to Europe and things could get out of hand. Hopefully 1 month. I have made a video like this before and it has been my most popular video, so I thought since I'm going again for about a month's time, why don't I make another updated video. Still cringe a little bit when I watch my first video. First of all, I have this backpack from Mech. It is the 40-liter, but that's okay, you gotta start somewhere. So I'm using the exact same backpack from before. It is from Mech. It's a 45-liter backpack, so I have not had any issues. I've always used this as a carry-on and I've never been stopped before, so I'm going to take it again as a carry-on. And I'm really into these kind of capsule wardrobe type videos and blog posts. I've been watching them non-stop, so I thought I would kind of recreate something along those lines. So I have 12 pieces of clothing, and then on top of that I have 2 jackets, a pair of pajamas, and a purse and a pair of sneakers. Again, staying on trend, I thought that it would be interesting to kind of look up some of the fall or autumn trends of 2018, and I will tell you what those are. So right now, according to whoever these people are in the fashion industry, the trends for autumn of 2018 are animal print, glossy fabrics or patent leather, pleats or pleating in skirts or pants, also graphic tees or logos such as kind of what I'm wearing, although this isn't a logo, but you get the idea. With that, I collected 12 clothing items and I'll show you what I'm bringing right now. First, I've just got a pair of classic jean shorts. Also this kind of pleated midi skirt. Also another pleated maxi skirt. A pleather mini skirt in this pretty burgundy color. A pair of these kind of dressy pants that are cinched at the ankle, which I also think are really on trend right now, to have more of a kind of business casual look. And also a pair of high-rise mom jeans, because these are on trend right now too, which I'm really excited about because they just fit so well. For tops, I've got this strapless bodysuit. I think it's just so cute. Also, I'm not sure if this is on trend right now, but I've fallen in love with it, is this kind of mustardy color that I'm seeing everywhere. It's especially nice for the fall. And I've just got this cute little crossbody kind of crop top. Again, mustard yellow bodysuit. I've got this kind of satiny sheer blouse, and then this cute little cropped striped sweater that's so soft. Also, I'm not sure if I included this in my 12 or not, but I'm just including this cute little floral dress. Oh yeah, and the shirt that I'm wearing. Whoops. Like I said, I'm also bringing a pair of PJs. It's just a shirt and a little pair of shorts. For jackets, I have this navy blue windbreaker with kind of gray details. Just zips up. It's really, really lightweight and I can roll it really easily, but it's really warm. Lastly, my denim jacket, because I just don't go anywhere without it. Also, I've mentioned these packing cubes before in a few different videos, but again, have to say it again, these will change your life. I just ordered mine off of Amazon, I believe. I can leave a link down below for some of those. But in here, I've just got a little travel microfiber towel, a phone bank charger, my drone charger, and because I'm going to Europe, don't forget one of these power converter plugs. A cute little hair straightener, look at it. And in this little pouch, I've just got all of my chargers and, oh, and a GoPro. I've also got my really dirty, gross makeup bag, but it works and I love having it all in one place. I've said this before, but I cannot say it enough. Those girls that I'm always stuck behind at the airport that are pulling out like giant cans of hairspray and shampoo, and they don't know what they're doing. They've never been on a flight before, apparently. Okay, guys, you need travel size products and you need to put it in one of these clear pouches so that when they ask you, ma'am, do you have any liquids? Yes, I do. They're all here, organized. MVP. And don't forget that some of your makeup counts as liquid, so don't be caught at the airport with your makeup bag torn apart because you didn't put this in the liquid bag. Also bringing my drone, which is probably the biggest thing that I'm packing, but I really don't want to go without it, so I'm making room. Again, for saving room, I do love to have a neck pillow, but I've kind of downgraded into this cheap little blow up neck pillow. It's not quite the same, but it works. And then as soon as I'm done with it, you can just deflate it. Stuff this right in your bag. I also forgot to mention for accessories, I'm just bringing one belt. It's this really old, kind of destroyed metallic belt that I just can't get rid of because I love it so much. Guys, I'm bringing one pair of shoes, I think. I just don't think I'll need anything else. Like, these go with everything. You can wear them with a dress, a skirt, shorts, jeans, dress pants. And because my backpack is my carry-on, I do get another personal item, so I'm just bringing another little backpack. Obviously I can't wear them at the same time, but I can just hold this one. And the reason I'm bringing this as my second item is because I want to have this during the trip, so I can just put in my passport, my money, my camera, maybe my drone, and just head out for the day. And then I'm also bringing this tiny little crossbody bag for if I go out at night or don't want to bring my whole backpack with me. And this one folds really flat, it doesn't really wrinkle, you can kind of just shove it right in there. So that is pretty much all of the items that I'm bringing. I know it's crazy, but guys, I feel like so many times I've stuffed my backpack with so many things and little trinkets that I think I'll need, and I don't use them, and I end up just buying a couple different clothing items and stuff anyways. So if I feel like I'm there and I need another pair of shoes or a new shirt or something, I mean, it's not a big deal, I'll just grab one. But yeah, I am going to show you how I mix and match these 14 clothing items into a ton of different outfits, so I never feel like I'm wearing the same thing over again, even though I am. way, I had so much fun filming those outfits. So if you enjoyed this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up so I know and I can make more. Again, I sound like my mother. Gotta roll your clothes in your suitcase to make more room. Mom is not from New York, but you know, that's how she sounds in my head. Guys, you have to roll your clothes in your suitcase. It prevents them from wrinkling. It makes more space and it makes it so much easier to find and grab what you want. So I'll show you how I do that right now. So there you have it. It's all in here, folks. And that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I just wanted to include that I am doing a giveaway here on YouTube just to say thank you for watching me ramble on about nothing. And when I reach 100 subscribers here on YouTube, I'm going to be giving away a $50 gift card to any online store of your choice. And that is just my way of saying thank you. So if you want to enter, I will leave the details down below. Check out my Instagram to follow along with my Europe adventure. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy this kind of video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!